Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings. In the beginning, let's go to Screen Display and press Settings button. Enter Sound. And now from this menu you can control tone control between bass, mid trebles and also fader and balance. Next you can enable or disable SDVC, change volume ratio between phone 45 and 0 and startup between 15 and 1. Next you can select navigation volume to use map screen volume buttons or use map screen volume buttons or volume knob. Next you can enable or disable reverse warning priority and touch beep. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.